it down. Scrolling. That's a newer generation of iPhone. Gentleman is wearing a seatbelt. His dashboard is on.
Pardon?
What are you doing that you're not meant to be doing, sir?
What's it got to do with you?
It's got to do with the police. I'll be reporting it to the police. So in about 2 weeks.
You feel free.
Why would you? You don't need to be doing that behind the wheel, sir.
You don't need to be keeping yourself
Carry on.
all busy.
Carry on.
You're interfering, old fucker.
Calm down, old boy. Delta Alpha 15 dash off or something. The entitlement, huh? He is genuinely horrified that somebody dared to confront him about his traffic offence there. I dare say you're older than me, chap.